Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System User Tutorial videos. This video offers users a few helpful hints to navigate the permitting system effectively and with ease in Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass User Tutorial Videos link. Help is provided throughout the system. A question mark icon is displayed if a field has a help message associated. Hovering over the icon displays a brief explanation of the field. Clicking on the icon will display a detailed help message. There are several informative links directly on the login page. The first link, the Create a Company Profile link, will allow new users to create and set up their company profile in Express Pass to begin ordering permits. Another link, the Express Pass User Tutorial Videos link, will bring you to the list of all the tutorial videos offered to help navigate the system effectively. The Permit Rules and Regulations link will display Mississippi Permit Rules and Regulations in a searchable PDF form. The Mississippi Permit Office contact information is also listed at the bottom of the screen. Once logged in, Express Pass offers several great features that can be accessed straight from the company dashboard. The admin links are located on the left-hand side. These links perform different functions regarding the company account. The Company Data link will display the Company Data screen, where usernames, passwords, and vehicles can be edited if the users are listed as a supervisor on the account. If the users have a status of user, clicking on the Company Data link will allow names, email addresses, phone numbers, and passwords to be edited. All users should enter a prompt question and response in order to retrieve a forgotten username or reset a forgotten password. This saves time, allowing you to bypass calling the permit office for a password reset. Users with a status of supervisor can edit company information such as the DBA name, primary email contact, default delivery method, contacts, terminals, users, and vehicles. To set up a new user, click the New button and fill in all required information. To edit an existing user, including deactivating, locking out, or deleting a user, find the user's name in the drop-down list and click the Edit button. This will display the user's information so the details for that specific user can be edited. The Vehicles section contains all the vehicles your company has stored in the system. To edit a vehicle, select the vehicle from the drop-down list and click the Edit button. On this screen, you can change the unit number, make, year, VIN, plate, plate state, and to which terminal the vehicle belongs. You can add new vehicles by clicking the New button. On the login page, there is a separate tutorial video on importing vehicles. Clicking the Home button will bring you back to your company dashboard. The Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the company dashboard will display the Help context window, which offers detailed help in searchable form regarding the use of Express Pass. The shopping cart is located in the upper right corner of the company dashboard. It shows the permits awaiting payment. Clicking the shopping cart button will display a summary of permits awaiting payment. The number of permits awaiting payment will populate between the parentheses. Permits not purchased by midnight of the requested start date will automatically be canceled at midnight and given a no payment status. These permits will no longer be available for purchase and a new application will need to be submitted. The Assessments and Warrants button located under the shopping cart will allow users to view outstanding assessments, warrants, and liens. There is also an option to pay assessments directly from the company dashboard. The number, if any, of unpaid assessments and outstanding warrants can also be seen directly on the dashboard. The Messages panel located on the right side of the dashboard under the Company section keeps users informed with important updates concerning Express Pass. Another feature the company dashboard provides is being able to view and print any issued and not expired permit directly from the dashboard. Click directly on an issued permit number hyperlink as long as the permit still has a status of issued or issued prior. This will open your permit so you can view and print the PDF directly from here. The company dashboard can also show up to 200 permits at a time. From the Show drop-down list located above the Permits Issued and Permits Requiring Further Processing section, select the amount of records to display. This will display all permit types and all permit statuses for easier access to any permits started, unfinished, pending, issued, or expired. To search for specific permits on the company dashboard, click the Search Permits button to open the search criteria. Select the criteria for which you want to search, such as the permit number, permit type, VIN, or dates. Enter the required information into the empty field or select the required information from the drop-down list based on the search by criteria and click the Go button. The dashboard will now list all permits for your company meeting the search criteria. Clicking the hyperlink column titles directly on the dashboard will filter the permits listed on the dashboard by permit number ID, type, submitted, or status. The Select link in the Action column on the dashboard performs a variety of actions. Any permit on the dashboard with a status of unfinished can be cleared from the dashboard by clicking the Select hyperlink in the Action column and then choosing the Cancel Permit option from the ensuing list of actions. Click the OK button from the Are you sure you wish to delete this permit message that is displayed. The permit will be cleared from the dashboard. Alternatively, unfinished permits can be resumed and information can be changed as needed to issue a new permit. Some permits on the dashboard can be copied by clicking the Select link in the Action column and then clicking the Copy Permit option. This will create a new permit of the same permit type with today's start date. From here, any vehicle information and the route can be edited as needed. This is extremely helpful when there has been a previously ordered permit with a difficult route or if a permit is needed with a lot of the same information. If for some reason an additional copy of a permit is needed, ExpressPass has a resend feature to resend the PDF. Click the Select link in the Action column for an issued or issued prior permit and then choose the View Permit option. This will display the permit details screen. From this screen, enter a fax number or email address in the Resend by Fax or Email to text box. Click the email or fax icon to resend the PDF. A permit may be resent only if it has a status of issued or issued prior. The Permit Details screen will also display any information input during the permit ordering process, including vehicle information, changes made, and payments made. ExpressPass will also allow you to add several vehicles without having to order separate permits when you need multiple power units for a load with the same dimensions and route. Start your new permit as normal. Once the truck and load information screen is displayed, click the Add Power Unit icon in the top left corner next to the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. This will add an additional permit for a separate power unit. You can add as many or as few power units as you need. This concludes the ExpressPass user tutorial video showing users some helpful hints while navigating the permitting system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.